awaited and talked about film Haq that has now hit the theatres today, and it is becoming a riveting chapter that has now brought about the fight for justice, what happened in reality now to the big screen. The film that dives deep into the struggle for what is right, and especially Yami Gautam this time, that is portraying the heart of the story. And of course, when it comes to the people who caught up on the first day for show this Friday morning, let's listen in and hear the reviews of what they have to say post watching the movie.
जो ट्रेलर में दिखाया गया है, मतलब वही मैंने बताया कि ट्रेलर में यही चीज़ है कि आप किसी लेडीज़ के साथ या किसी के साथ उसके साथ अन्याय अगर हो रहा है तो वो अपने लिए हक के लिए लड़ सकती है, और वो किस तरह लड़ेंगी वही सारी चीज़ें हैं। और इमरान हाशमी का जो रोल है तो उन्होंने क्या गलत किया या अपनी तरफ से सही किया, उन्होंने यही सारी चीज़ें हैं।
इमरान हाशमी आपको एक्टर कैसे लगते हैं?
बहुत बढ़िया लगते हैं।
Being a woman, I like women-centric movie, and to me, it kind of portrays the strength of women and how the perseverance and how she's going to fight for her rights, and I'm really excited about it.
तो ये कि रियल इवेंट पर स्टोरी है। दूसरा जो उसकी कास्ट है, पर्टिकुलरली यामी, उनकी एक्टिंग मुझे बहुत पसंद है और अलग हट के थोड़ा मूवी है। मीन्स नॉर्मल मारपिटाई प्यार मोहब्बत उस तरह की नहीं है, कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा है, उस तरह की मूवी मुझे बहुत पसंद है।
क्या उम्मीद है आपकी मूवी से? क्या लग रहा है?
आई फील ट्रेलर देख के बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव कम फॉर द फर्स्ट शो।
Well, the more powerful the trailer was, that has been exactly when it comes to this unflinching reviews that have now been coming in from the moviegoers, catching on the first day, first show this Friday. And what we are looking at already, the upcoming shows, especially over the weekend, are completely booked as far when it comes to booking social media or online platforms that we are looking at. But this is a riveting story there of what happened back in 1985. Many of them today's generation may not be aware, but putting that on the screen to highlight when it comes to women's right and women's justice is concerned, this seems to be the intense storytelling that we are hearing a lot of praises coming in from the people.
सिर्फ आपकी ज़बान की थी।
नहीं, पिछली बार तुमने कहा था कि तुम्हारी इज्जत की बात है।
It's a brilliant movie. Everybody needs to watch it.
The film was very moving, and I think many of us were in tears.
It was a fantastic movie. This was a big turning point in legal history for gender justice.
तुम कोई पहली औरत तो हो नहीं जिसने अपना शौहर बांटा है।
बिरयानी या शीर कोरमा नहीं है, इसे बांट कर बहुत सवाब का बहुत बरकत होगी।
हक इज अ पावरफुल मूवी।
बहुत अच्छी मूवी बनाई है।
This is a landmark movie bringing the ethos of the Constitution close to every woman now.
सेक्युलर लॉ की आड़ में शरीयत का मजाक बनाया जा रहा है और हम देखते रह जाएंगे। इसे बचाना हमारा फर्ज है।
Well, you need to believe it as far as the people and the moviegoers this morning who caught up on the first show, what they have to say on reviewing the movie, so that you can also book your ticket as soon as possible and watch the movie in near cinema halls as far as when it comes to the movie Haq is now concerned and the reviews it is now generating.
Well, I think the senior leader should take responsibility about taking care of law and order rather than questioning citizens. Citizens have their freedom. And of course, I mean, citizens also should be responsible, but leaders should take care of the law and order because they are appointed for the same. But at the same time, citizen being responsible also will control the things like this. So it's a mutual, it's not that one has to be accused and one not, but it's a mutual. But having said that, those who are represented, they are big people, those who are responsible for this law and order, and they should take care of it.
So career-defining performances, what is now being said, has been given by Imran Hashmi and also Yami Gautam, who have portrayed the role of husband and wife and what happened back in 1985 and how that very judgment was overturned and how it has now set the stage, especially when it comes to the women's right for her rights, is something that has now been highlighted in this movie. And it has garnered a lot of praise coming in from the moviegoers itself, who caught up on the Friday's first day, first show, and what has now been said on online booking platforms that the coming weekend, Saturday and Sunday, most of the shows are also booked throughout the day, and we are getting you reactions that are coming in from all over the country over the stellar performances that has now been put up by the two of them, which is Imran Hashmi and Yami Gautam.
अगर तुम एक सही मुसलमान होती ना, एक नेक और वफादार बीवी होती, ऐसी बात कभी नहीं करती।
This movie really goes on to show that if women are united, they can actually bring about a lot of positive legislative changes.
जो मैसेज इस फिल्म के थ्रू जाना चाहिए पूरी सोसाइटी में, उसमें ये पिक्चर कामयाब हुई है।
Most important movies anybody can make.
A movie like this will make a big difference to the minds of people.
हम सिर्फ मुसलमान औरत नहीं, हम हिंदुस्तान की मुसलमान औरत है, इसी मिट्टी में पले बड़े हैं, इसलिए कानून हमें भी उसी नजर से देखे जैसे बाकी हिंदुस्तानियों को देखता है।
We all must look into that film from a very neutral perspective.
इस तरह की जो फिल्में हैं, ये समाज में जागरूकता होती है इनसे।
Haq is actually more than a film. It is a documentation of the journey of women's empowerment, gender equality in this country.
हम सिर्फ शाजिया बानो हैं और हमारी लड़ाई सिर्फ एक ही चीज की रही है, हमारा हक।
So it is your haq to go and watch the movie as soon as possible, and the cinematography and the production design that has recreated that very period without drawing attention to themselves, and the background score also maintains tonality in sync with an impressive support cast as well. Let's listen in to other reactions coming in from the people who got up on the movie this morning.
What is the excitement level at this point that you have come for the first show of the movie?
The first thing is that I'm quite excited about this. I was following for this particular film from quite a long time, from the making of the film, the news that were coming to me. So I was quite excited about this. And apart from this one, the actors who are acting in this particular film, I think they're very strong actors. And overall, I'm quite excited about the film.
So do book your tickets and watch the movie at the nearest theatre